All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to make a video on FELG. We had a fan write a comment on this ETF. I want to break it down for you on why he's liking it. Let's get into it. So we are using Fidelity to review FELG. This is Fidelity Enhanced Large Cap Growth ETF. Looking at the summary real quick, we can see that this fund seeks capital appreciation, investing 80% of its common stocks into the Russell 1000 Growth Index. This is a market capitalization weighted index, and it measures the performance of large cap growth within the United States. Breaking down the composition, it is U.S. equity based, actively managed, and large growth. So right here, we have 115 holdings within this. And if you look here, the top 10 make up 56.26% of the fund. So definitely be careful with that. Microsoft coming in the lead at 10.96, Apple trailing at 10.91, and Nvidia at 10.22%. So 32% of this company is invested in within 3 companies. Just keep that in mind. Amazon 5.87%, Meta at 4.32%. You got both Google, AMD stock within this at 3.79, 3.68. Broadcom, Eli Lilly, and MasterCard. These companies are all within North America. When you break it down by country, you have basically 0.08% in Brazil and then 99.92% in United States. The market capitalization is giant and large cap, which you can see here generating over an 86% portion towards giant and large cap. Medium 10.54%, small 2.91%. Here, the investment style is growth and it is large. And I want you to see this. This is important. Your sector exposure, 44.16% in technology, communication services, 14.5%, consumer discretionary, 13.96%. Then you have healthcare at 8.29%. And now looking at the industry exposure, semiconductors, 17.31%. And if you're looking for more semiconductor, I will definitely post a video at the end of this video so you can see which ETF if you want to get that semiconductor awareness. Software 15%, interactive media 11%. So now reviewing the distribution expenses, we can see here that the distribution yield is 0.66%, where the expense ratio is 0.18%. That's pretty low for an actively managed fund when you compare it to other funds like that. So definitely something to keep in mind there. The ratings and analysis here, very, very strong. Short-term sentiment strong, midterm sentiment strong, long-term neutral. 5 stars out of 1,100 funds. 4 stars on a 10-year track record. Very impressive. Now let's look over the performance and risk here. Hypothetical growth of $10,000 in 2013 would have netted you $40,000. So that's an excellent return. And to get $10,000 to $40,000, you have to average 14.6% each year, and that will get you there. Notice though that this fund is trailing the benchmark of Russell 1000 by a percentage point on the 10 year. And looking at the life, this fund has done 11.48%, where the Russell 1000 has done 12.17%. So definitely something to consider. Is it really beating it? It's not beating the benchmark. Now, comparisons. You can compare this to others. Fidelity does not offer any available for that. Statistics, you can see institutional ownership is 15%. This is an ETF, open-ended investment company. There's no leverage, no inverse, no options, nothing like that. It's sponsored by Fidelity Management Research Company, LLC. So we'll drop this video under the playlist under Fidelity Index Funds and ETFs. But the portfolio fundamentals, the net expense ratio is 0.18% compared to the U.S. equity mean at 0.39%. So definitely keep an eye on that. So I just wanted to bring out the max chart here. This ETF was created in 2023, so there's not that much to go back on when you're looking at performance. So now here you can see $25 up to $31. That's all we have in a 1-year period. So definitely keep an eye out on that. Something to consider. All right, guys, this is my channel, Trading Simplified. If you like what you just saw, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and definitely check out my playlist. I have other things to offer. I have the Fidelity index ETFs, and then I have Vanguard Investments, my trading P&L, investing for beginners. Check out my membership as well. If you just feel like supporting the channel, it's like $2 a month. It's really just say thanks and you appreciate my videos, and I definitely thank you. If you don't want to sign up, that's totally fine. Keep watching the videos. I got more to offer. I'll keep dropping videos each and every day. Thank you.